and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. First, the top stories. Independence Cup is in the Central Region. Training on nutrition and food system. Beijing called China and Australia important economic and trade partners. Dozens missing after Chinese fishing boat sinks in Indian Ocean. Concluding its journey in 5 regions, the Independence Cup containing sacred soil has been handed over to the Central Region today, 21st May. The handing over ceremony that was carried out in Gashnashem Sarajaqa Sabzon was attended by General Philippos Walde Yohannes, Chief of Staff of the Eritrean Defense Force, Mr. Yusuf Saiq, Head of PFDJ Organization Affairs, as well as a number of army commanders, administrators, and thousands of residents. The Independence Cup was handed over to Mr. Fisahaya Haile, Governor of the Central Region, by Ambassador Abdullah Musa, Governor of the Ansaba Region. Both governors delivered extensive speeches on the significance of the Independence Cup containing sacred soil from all over the country. After the warm welcome accorded to it in Gashnashem, the Independence Cup, accompanied by a military parade, was seen off to Sarajaqa and Zagar. Upon reaching Sarajaqa and Zagar, the Independence Cup was accorded warm welcome by the residents and members of the Defense Force, featuring cultural and artistic performances. After that, the Independence Cup visited the Mbadar Ho Sabzon and will continue its journey tomorrow, 22nd May, to Barrikh Sabzon. Training on nutrition and food system was organized to 100 farmers, representatives including 65 females in Ginda Sabzon from 11 to 16 May. At the conclusion event, Mr. Tasfit Gerez Geher, representative of the agriculture and land in the Northern Red Sea region, said that the training was in contribution of the effort to ensure food security and that the Ministry of Agriculture, in cooperation with partners is working to distribute sweet potato seeds to farmers. Speaking at the occasion, Mrs. Asmaret Abraha, Governor of the Northern Red Sea region, said that the theoretical and practical training will have significant contribution in the development of the understanding and awareness of farmers. The trainees, on their part, commending for the training opportunity provided, expressed readiness to transfer the knowledge they received to fellow farmers in their areas. Mr. Saleh Ahmeddin, Chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, conducted seminar to youth and youth workers in Karura Sabzon. At the seminar, Mr. Saleh called on the youth to adhere to the noble societal values and strengthen participation in the national affairs as well as in the implementation of the objective and mission of the Union. Pointing out that a number of training programs have been organized for the youth in the Sabzon, Mr. Takhla Zar'a, head of the political and organizational affairs of the Union branch in the Northern Red Sea region, called on the youth to take advantage of the opportunities being provided. The administrator of the Sabzon, Mr. Idris Ali, on his part expressed readiness of the Sabzonal administration to stand alongside the Union branch in all its activities. At the occasion, 102 youth that were provided vocational training have been graduated, and special award has been provided to youth winners in the competition organized in connection with the 32nd Independence Day anniversary. International news follows after a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Beijing called China and Australia important economic and trade partners after the Chinese ambassador Ken Bahar Shaun Kian announced earlier that the ban on Australian timber imports would be lifted. The two countries are highly complementary, and economic and trade cooperation between the two sides is mutually beneficial and win-win. Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Wang Wenbin told reporters on Thursday. The once $407 million annual timber trade with China had already been suspended since late 2020 after Beijing said it had found pests in the shipments coming from several Australian ports. Talks are underway about a visit by Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese to Beijing as his centre-left Labor government pushes for an end to a series of Chinese unofficial bans and tariffs placed on Australian products, including coal, timber, and lobster in 2020, during a low point in diplomatic relations. Chinese fishing boat has sunk in the Indian Ocean with all 39 of its Chinese and international crew missing. This is according to state media. Broadcaster CCTV said the incident happened in the early hour of Tuesday morning. The crew included 17 people from China, 17 from Indonesia, and 5 from Philippines. President Xi Jinping ordered a coordinated search, but so far no missing persons have been found. China has deployed 2 commercial vessels to help in the regional search and rescue operation. The Chinese report did not identify the exact location of the sinking, revealing only that it took place in the center of the Indian Ocean that stretches from South Asia and Arabian Peninsula to East Africa and West Australia. The boat left Cape Town, South Africa on May 5 and would be heading towards Busan, South Korea, according to the Marine Traffic Tracking website, which last located the vessel on May 10th to the southeast of the Reunion, a teeny French island in the Indian Ocean. There was no explanation for the cause of the sinking, although weather and high seas often play a role in such tragedies. And now we have a quick recap of the top stories. Independence Cup is in the Central region. Training on nutrition and food system. Beijing called China and Australia important economic and trade partners. Dozens missing after Chinese fishing boat sinks in the Indian Ocean. It was me, Salim Berhana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us.